let's talk about spreadsheets. In Google, these are just called sheets. And if you're in your Google Drive, it's very simple to just click on the new button and find Google Sheets and click right on that. If the side pops up here, just choose blank spreadsheet. We do not have any templates of that. Once you click on that, you will have a new spreadsheet that looks like this. And up here, of course, is always where we name it. Be sure to follow your directions for what to call it. And some basic things that I want you to see, and that we have numbers down the side, and each number is how we locate a row. And we have letters across the top for columns, A, B, C, D, E. If you click on the actual letter or number, it lets you select the entire column, in which case you could add formatting to it of some type or make some other kinds of changes to it all at once. What you need to see too is that the cells are located by saying like B5, which is, some kids say, similar to Battleship. So this would be cell B5. This would be D2, A1, B14. So that is how you locate a cell. The other phrase you'll hear is range, and range means when you're doing more than one cell. So if I were to click here and go to here, that is the range B3, because that's where it starts, to D7, because that's where it ends. And it would look like this if you typed it out. B3 colon D7. That means the entire range of cell B3 all the way through to D7. So there's your first little bit about spreadsheets.